Good morning everybody, my name is Leo and this is my robot Ripper for M2 Unit 3. I built Ripper using spur gears and a worm gear along with beams and bushes. Attached to the front are two elastic bands to grip the object properly. If you can come over here so you can look at my code. It starts off by going forward for one rotation and then it pauses. The medium motor is to open gripper and then it pauses, goes forward for one rotation, pauses again, and then it closes the gripper. Once it has closed the gripper, it reverses back to the starting point and then it stops there.